Hi there, you're with Morgan Etheridge from Hall Hart Homes and Jessica Cao from Ray White, Upper North Shore. Jessica, in your experience and knowledge with the marketplace, when clients are looking to purchase a new home, what design elements are important to them?
So quality, luxury finishes of their home, but without over the top, those features. And people like to have their own touches in the home, so maybe keep it clean, neutral, the interior. And also people like a really good kitchen space, so integrate really good, dining, living space with the kitchen area, and have a nice indoor-outdoor flow. And lots of storage space, which is very important now. Yeah. So
Jessica, being a higher profile agent on the Upper North Shore and specialising in luxury homes and higher end homes, how important do you think design is for clients? And do you think there is a differential between building just with a straight project builder and having something that's architecturally designed and built by a custom builder?
Yeah, sure. There's so much difference there. To start with, the facade, the streetscape. People always say you never get a second chance to have a first impression. Yeah. So you need to get that right first. And I think a custom builder just put so much effort into that to get it right. Yeah. And then you look at the finishes, the quality, the orientation of the home to most utilize the land, the space, the aspect of the block. With a custom builder, you can just do so much with what you have. And it's just not like a cookie cutter, every house looks the same. You can just do it what suits your family and also suits what the buyers are looking for in our area.
And for clients in this area, Jessica, we're sitting in this lovely home in Pymble at the moment. Do you feel that probably slightly bigger initial investment of going down a custom and architectural route, do you think that pays dividends on the other end for clients?
Yes, 100%. With a custom builder, you can just put so much features that you want into your home instead of going as same as everyone else. And also, people spend more time at home now since COVID-19.
Of course.
And, things like home cinema this house has, and, maybe you can have a home gym, or you can have multiple living spaces for different family members, and a home office. Everyone wants a home office.
Well, everyone needs it now, don't they?
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, rather than having a nook in the corner, you can have a genuine proper home office setup.
That's right.
Yeah.
And maybe also a bedroom on the ground floor to suit, multi-generational living sort of style. Yeah, I just think with a custom builder, you can achieve so much more. And when you resell, the buyers appreciate it, all the thoughts and all the money, effort you put in it. So you do achieve a higher resale value.
Jessica, in the homes that you've managed for sale as an expert on the Upper North Shore here, how important do you find build quality and general design for your clients?
It is very, very important. So clients in our area, they look for quality. They want quality constructions, they want solid foundations, they want something, they can last for years and years, not just something look good for the first 5 years. It's very important for my clients here.
Jessica, thanks very much for your time today. It's been very insightful. You do a lot of work in property on the Upper North Shore. We have clients approaching us all the time looking for a good agent in the area, and with your results, you've certainly proven that. How can our clients get in touch with you?
Thanks, Morgan. So I work at Ray White, Upper North Shore, and my phone number will be at the bottom of the screen, and you can Google me or follow me on social media.
Perfect.
Thanks, Morgan.
Thanks, Jessica.